Getting views for your videos can be a challenging task, but with the right strategies and tactics, it's possible to increase your reach and grow your audience. Here are some tips for getting more views for your videos. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. The title and description of your video are the first things viewers will see when they come across your video. Make sure your title is descriptive, attention-grabbing, and includes relevant keywords. Your description should also be well written, providing a brief overview of what the video is about and including any relevant information such as links, timestamps, and calls to action. Utilize keywords and tags. Including relevant keywords and tags in your video's title, description, and tags can help increase the visibility of your video in search results. This will make it easier for viewers to find your video when searching for related content. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on your social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This will help increase the visibility of your videos and drive more traffic to your channel. Collaborate with other content creators. Collaborating with other content creators in your niche can help you reach a new audience and get more views for your videos. You can collaborate on a video together or share each other's videos on your respective channels. Use paid promotion. If you have the budget, consider using paid promotion to reach a wider audience. Platforms such as YouTube and Facebook allow you to target specific demographics and interests, making it easier to reach your ideal audience. Engage with your audience. Building a relationship with your audience is key to getting more views for your videos. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create videos that address the needs and interests of your audience. Consistency is key. Regularly posting new and engaging content will help keep your audience interested and coming back for more. Use analytics. Utilize the analytics available on platforms like YouTube or TikTok to understand the behavior of your viewers, which videos are popular and which are not. Use this information to improve your content and reach the right audience. By following these tips, you can increase the visibility of your videos and grow your audience. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a following, but with persistence and dedication, you can get more views for your videos and achieve your goals. Getting views for your videos can be a challenging task, but with the right strategies and tactics, it's possible to increase your reach and grow your audience. Here are some additional tips for getting more views for your videos. Use thumbnails. A visually appealing thumbnail can help entice viewers to click on your video. Make sure your thumbnail is high quality and accurately represents the content of your video. Encourage engagement. Encourage viewers to engage with your video by asking questions, creating polls or quizzes, or using other interactive elements. This will help increase the dwell time on your video and increase the chances of it being shared or recommended to others. Create a consistent brand. Creating a consistent brand across all your videos will help establish your channel as a reputable source of information and increase viewer loyalty. This can be achieved through consistent branding, consistent video quality, and consistent content themes. Utilize end screens and annotations. End screens and annotations are a great way to direct viewers to other videos or your channel. Use them to promote your other videos, ask viewers to subscribe to your channel, or provide a call to action. Leverage influencer marketing. Influencer marketing can be a powerful tool to increase the visibility of your videos. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your videos to a wider audience. Leverage SEO. Optimizing your video for SEO can help increase its visibility on search engines. This includes using relevant keywords, creating transcriptions, and making sure your video is properly tagged. Create a landing page for your videos. Creating a landing page for your videos can help increase the visibility of your videos and drive more traffic to your channel. This can include a summary of the video, related videos, and a call to action. By following these tips, you can increase the visibility of your videos and grow your audience. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a following, but with persistence and dedication, you can get more views for your videos and achieve your goals. It is also important to keep track of the changes in algorithm and update your strategy accordingly. Keep experimenting with different strategies and tactics to find what works best for your channel and audience.